Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
You may take the stand.
Please state your name for the record.
Mrs. Marguerite Black.
Now, Mrs. Black, you are the mother of Donnie Ray Black, who recently died of acute myelolytic leukemia because the defendant, great benefit...
Objection. Leading.
Sustained.
Your son, Donnie Ray, needed an
Objection.
operation...
Leading.
Sustained.
Mrs. Black, did you purchase this medical policy because you were concerned about medical care for your son?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Leading.
Mr. Baylor, why don't you show the policy and ask her why she bought it?
Okay.
Mr. Baylor, you must ask to approach the witness.
Sorry, Your Honor. Permission to approach the witness?
You may.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Great benefit. July 7th, 1996. Policy 78499009886. Dear Mrs. Black, on 7 prior occasions, this company has denied your claim in writing. We now deny it for the 8th and final time. You must be stupid, stupid, stupid. Sincerely, Everett Lufkin, Vice President, Claims Department.
Read it again.
Objection. Repetitious, Your Honor.
Sustained.
I tender the witness.